Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the incredibly useful new app NeuraBoot, which provides you with an efficient and easy way to track your mood and promote self-care, making your life so much easier. With NeuraBoot, you can log your emotions, receive useful advice for physical and mental health, and track your progress all in one safe location. Explore the many great features of NeuraBoot in this video and discover how you can completely revolutionize the way you manage your health and well-being with this useful new app. You can download NeuraBoot today using the link in the description or right here on the screen. We made this video in collaboration with NeuraBoot. Let's get started. With mental health becoming a growing problem around the world, many people are failing to care for themselves and manage stress and anxiety. With NeuraBoot, you'll get tips on small daily steps that you can take to manage your emotions when you feel depressed or overwhelmed. Once you've made your account, create your profile by selecting positive words that describe you. In times of need, the app will remind you of these qualities and give you positive affirmations to say out loud. You can also choose stress relief tactics that work for you, like 15 minutes of exercise, reading and connecting with friends, and so much more. In addition, the app will let you fill out information on people that you can contact if you're feeling down. With so many helpful tools, NeuraBoot will keep track of the way that you are able to overcome your mental health issues and allow you to relieve stress with ease. In addition to your profile, NeuraBoot has My Mood tab, which allows you to log how you're feeling on a particular day. Slide your marker down the line to choose from emotions like sad, anxious, or happy, and move it across the numerical scale to pick the intensity. You can also specify your mood by selecting different words that describe how you feel in a particular way. Once you've entered in your information, the app will automatically give you tips on how to cope with your feelings, like healthy snacks you can eat, short activities you can try, and so much more. The app will also give you special actions that you can mark as done once you've completed them. These actions will go towards your progress goals. You can use these to unlock special achievement awards as you continue to use the app. With special care personalized to your needs and a wide variety of options to choose from, NeuraBoot keeps users healthy and happy and is sure to be your next favorite app. NeuraBoot is a unique and beneficial app that is bound to make even the most stressful days a little bit easier. No matter where you are or what you're doing, NeuraBoot can manage your well-being like never before, keeping your mood positive and confident. Be sure not to miss out on this incredible app and download NeuraBoot today using the link on the screen or in the description.